Dear students, welcome you all for the video classes. In the last class, we had seen the definition of symmetric matrices and skew symmetric matrices. After that, few problems we have discussed. That is nothing but examples for symmetric matrices as well as skew symmetric matrices. Now we have the exercise problem. They are asking that show that the matrix is equal to some 3 cross 3 matrix they are given is a symmetric matrix. After that, show that the matrix A is equal to 3 cross 3 matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. They are given two matrices. Our job is to show those two matrices are skew symmetric, after that symmetric, or symmetric, after that skew symmetric. Solution for 1. Solution 1. Given A is equal to 1 minus 1 5, after that minus 1 2 1 5 1 3 is they are given. What is our job? Our job is to show this matrix is symmetric. What is the definition of symmetricity? Symmetric matrix is nothing but A dash is equal to A. Correct? If A dash is equal to A, then we say that the given matrix is symmetric matrix. For that I will take now A dash is equal to 1 minus 1 5, which is transpose, minus 1 2 1 5 1 3, which dash is nothing but what? Which implies A dash is equal to transpose of matrix means number of rows becomes number of columns. 1 minus 1 5, 1 minus 1 5. You write it as 1 minus 1 5. Correct? Rows, columns becomes rows. Minus 1 to 1 which is column, now it becomes row. 5 1 3 which is column, now it becomes row. What is this value? This value is nothing but A. Correct? Because A dash is equal to A. Why? Because A, the given matrix itself is A. Therefore, A dash is equal to A, which implies A is symmetric matrix. A is symmetric matrix. After that, you may take a second example. Show that the matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. Right? Show that the given matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. This is the symmetric first problem, which is symmetric. With the help of definition, we should write the symmetric matrix. After that, solution number 2. I will write the solution number 2. Solution number 2 says solution 2, show that the matrix is skew symmetric. Given A is equal to 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 0. Now A dash is equals to 0 minus 1 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 0 dash, which implies A dash is equal to this column becomes row, that is 0 minus 1 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 0. Correct? After that, keep minus outside. The value becomes first row, that is 0. Minus outside means here there will be 1. Here there will be 1. 1 means here there will be minus 1. After that, here minus 1. Here there will be 0. Here 1. Here 1. Minus 1 0. If you take minus 1 common or minus outside, then all the positive value becomes negative, negative value becomes positive. What is this value? This value is, you take first minus. What is this value? It is given 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 0, which is nothing but A. Therefore A dash is equal to minus A. So A is skew symmetric matrix. A is skew symmetric matrix. I hope you understood the concept where symmetricity to skew symmetric, and symmetricity. After that, one of the important theorem carries 3 mark question in the annual exam. I will discuss today is the following. That is, the concept is they are given one theorem. Theorem is nothing but first you take a theorem statement. Theorem number 1. Theorem number 1. For any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. What they are given is the statement of the theorem is for any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix you have to show. What is the meaning of A plus A dash? One square matrix, this A dash, it is transpose. Then the addition, which is symmetric, A minus A dash, which is skew symmetric, you have to show. How to show that? Observe. Proof. Let B is equal to A plus A dash. Let B is equal to A plus A dash. Now B dash is equal to A plus A dash whole dash. B dash is equal to A plus A dash whole dash, which implies B dash is equal to A plus dash A plus B whole dash, that is A dash plus A dash whole dash. Why? Because A plus B whole dash is nothing but A dash plus B dash, which is properties of transpose of a matrices. Correct? Which implies B dash which is equal to A dash. A dash whole dash is nothing but A. Correct? Why? Because A dash whole dash is nothing but A, which implies B dash. What is this value? A plus A dash, which is nothing but B. Therefore, B is equal to A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Is a symmetric matrix. Correct? B plus B dash is a symmetric. B dash is equal to B means B is symmetric. What is B? A plus A dash. Therefore, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Now, consider C is equal to A minus A dash. C dash is equal to A minus A dash whole dash. C dash is equal to A minus A dash whole dash, which implies C dash is equal to A dash minus A dash whole dash. A dash whole dash, which implies C dash is equal to A dash minus A dash whole dash is nothing but A, because A plus or minus B whole dash is nothing but A dash minus B dash. Correct? A plus or B, A dash minus B dash. After that, A dash whole dash is nothing but A, which implies C dash is equal to minus, we take this common, A minus A dash, which implies C dash is equal to minus, what is this value? A minus A dash value, A minus A dash value is nothing but C. C dash is equal to minus C. C dash is equal to minus C. What it indicates? It indicates the definition of skew symmetric. C is skew symmetric. Therefore, C is equal to A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. This is the theorem which is very important for category of 3 mark. 3 mark question. Category of 3 mark. Next. Next theorem, theorem number 2, we will prove. First, before that, we must take the statement of the theorem number 2. Statement of the theorem number 2. Theorem number 2. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. What they are asking is, our job is to show any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Means what? We have to take one square matrix which is nothing but sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Solution or proof. Let A be any square matrix, then A can be taken as A is equal to half A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 times A minus A dash. Equation number 1. Surely I have to check whether this is correct or not. If you observe, A is equal to A plus A dash by 2, are you agree? Plus A minus A dash divided by 2. Numerator is same, sorry, denominator is same. So A plus A dash plus A minus A dash. Get close. A plus A becomes 2A. 2A divided by 2 becomes 2A divided by 2 becomes it is A. Therefore, the expression or equation remains correct. Next, what we are going to take is, here we have taken that A is equal to half into A plus A dash plus half into A minus A dash. We have taken that equation number 1. Under that, A plus A dash is symmetric. We have the idea, and because theorem number 1, according to the theorem number 1, we just proved A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Correct? According to the theorem number 1. We know that according to the theorem number 1, A plus A dash is symmetric matrix, and A minus A dash is a A minus A dash is a skew symmetric. A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Also, we have the property that K into A whole dash is equal to K A dash. Also, we have the property that K into A whole dash is nothing but K into A dash. So, 1 by 2 times A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, and 1 by 2 times A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Correct? What we have taken? We have taken that equation number 1. Under this equation number 1, we have theorem number 1, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Also, we have the property that K into A whole dash is nothing but K into A dash. Correct? Transpose of A matrix property. What is K here? K is exactly half. K is exactly half. Therefore, half into A looks like A or it looks like A dash, which is symmetric. Correct? Half into A dash is a symmetric matrix, and half into A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, or hence, any matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric and sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Correct? Under the theorem, we have to take the help of the theorem number 1, and we should take the help of property number 4 of the transpose. Half into A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, and 1 by 2 into A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, A is equal to, you may take therefore A is equal to half into A plus A dash plus half into A minus A dash. Hence, any matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This is the theorem number 2. After that, we should take some problems based on these theorems. Theorem number 1, right? And theorem number 2. I want to write one remark that zero matrix is both symmetric as well as skew symmetric matrix. Zero matrix is both symmetric as well as skew symmetric matrix. Next examples. For the matrix A is equal to 1657, verify that First one, a plus a dash is a symmetric matrix. A plus a dash is a symmetric matrix. Second one, a minus a dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Solution number 1. Solution number 1. What are given? For the matrix A is equal to 1, 5, 6, 7, verify that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. This is the question which is application of the theorem, that is 1. We have to solve the help of theorem number 1. Like B is equal to A plus A dash, which implies B. What is A? They are given 1, 6, 5, 7. After that, you make A dash 1, 6, 5, 7. Correct? A dash we know it is 1, 6 becomes 1, 6 row, 5, 7 column becomes row, which implies B is equal to 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 6 it is 11, 6 plus 5 becomes 11, 7 plus 7 becomes 14. Correct? 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 6 11, 6 plus 5 11, 7 plus 7 becomes 14. Now B dash is equal to 2 11 11 14 dash is equal to 2 11 11 14 that is equal to B. Therefore B is equal to A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Correct? Is a symmetric matrix. Next, second one. We have to do solution for the category 1, that is B is equal to A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. After that, solution number 2, I will take solution number 2 as solution 2. Let C is equal to A minus A dash, which implies C is equal to A is nothing but 1 6 5 7 minus A dash 1 6 5 7, which implies C is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0, 5 minus 6 is minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 5 minus 6 is minus 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 7 is 0. Correct? Which is the value of C. Now, which implies C is equal to minus, we take it as common, minus we take it as common. Sorry, C dash you must take C dash, correct? You may take it as C dash. Now, C dash is equal to 0, column becomes row 0 1, minus 1 0. After that, what you take? You take minus common, then it becomes 0 1 0 1 minus 1 0, which is equal to minus. What is this value? 0 1 minus 1 0. 0 1 minus 1 0 means C. Therefore, C dash is equal to minus C, which implies C is equal to A minus A dash is a skew symmetric C dash C minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. This is the problem which is the best of theorem number 1. After that, I will take one problem. Example, find half into a plus a dash and half into a minus a dash, where a is equal to 0 minus a minus b, a 0 minus c, BC 0, BC 0. The problem is very simple. Problem is very simple. Look at the questions first. Solution. Value of b. Let b is equal to half into a plus a dash. Correct? What we have to find out? Only that much value we have to find out. Half into a plus a dash, which implies b is equal to half. A is nothing but first 0 minus a minus b, a 0 minus c, b c 0, b c 0 plus a dash. What is a dash? 0 minus a minus b, a 0 minus c, b c 0. Correct? Half into that much we have to find out. 0 minus a b, a 0 minus c, b c 0, the given matrix. After that, column becomes row. 0 minus a b, 0 minus a b, a minus 0, b c 0. Which is nothing but half into 0 plus 0, 0, a plus minus a, 0, b plus minus b, it is also 0, minus a plus a, 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, after that c plus minus c, 0, minus b plus b, 0, minus c plus c, 0, 0 plus 0 becomes 0, which is equal to 0 matrix. Correct? 0 into 1, 0 and 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, all are 0. Which is the value of b. Half into this value. Next. Now d is equal to half into a minus a dash. Now consider d is equal to half into a minus a dash. D half, take the dollar bracket because otherwise it gives confusion. B a0 minus c, a0 minus c, b c 0 minus of a dash is nothing but same version, minus a minus b, a0 minus c, b c 0, b c 0, 0 minus a b, 0 minus a b, a0 minus c, a0 minus c, b c 0, b c 0, which is equal to half 0 minus 0, 0, a, just observe, 0 minus 0, a minus of minus, just nothing but 2a, a minus of plus a plus a, 2a, right? B minus of which is 2b, minus a it is 0, sorry, minus a minus 2a minus a minus it is not a plus, it is addition. Minus a becomes minus 2a, 0 minus 0 0, c minus of minus, c minus of minus, plus c becomes 2c, correct? 2c minus b minus 2b minus 3 minus b minus bb 2b, correct? It is subtraction or multiplication. After that minus 2c, after that 0 minus 0 is 0, which is nothing but, which is d is nothing but, look at the value, 0 into 1 anything is 0, 0 into 1 is 0 by 2, 2a by 2 becomes a, 2a by 2 is a, 2b by 2 is b, minus 2a by 2 is minus a, 0, it is 0, 2c by 2 is c, minus 2b numerator by 2, minus 2b is numerator, minus 2b divided by 2 is minus b, minus 2c by 2 is minus c, 0 into 0 is the value of b. Once again you have to check it, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 by 2 into 0 is 0, 2a by 2, 2 to get close a, 2b by 2, 2 to get close b, 2a minus a 0, c minus 2b, 2 to get close minus b, minus 2c, 2 to get close minus c, 0, which is the value of b. Then in the next class we will see the problem which is based on express the given problem into the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices in the next class. Thank you.